Alright, so we're gonna take out, obviously, just this one. This row here. I have to lift these rows a little bit, but got the snake tool. Alright, we're good to go. Let's get that out. This one's already been sealed down. Check for any fat transfer. I'm just gonna lift up a little bit. Tiny little amount. Nothing crazy. Alright, good to go. Pull through on the nail head there. Yeah, that one. Pull through a little.
Yeah, pull through all the way out.
It's the old one. On the nail heads, just on two of them. Just removing it, you can already see it's definitely not long enough. So what is this? Oh, just a really long 3-tab? Are they usually that long?
Yep.
Do you have different kinds or?
Might be a different kind or.
Alright, we'll have to check if this is like a discontinued 3-tab or not. It's obviously way different size. We got 39 on the old one, 39 1/4 on the old one.
And
yeah, 39 1/4 on the older.
36 on the new one.
36 even on the
new one.
On the new 3-tab.
Oh sure. 5.
There's like 5.
This is
like 5 and a half. So a 1/2 inch different on the exposure. 3 1/4 inch difference on the length. It'll cover the nail hole though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, we'll cover the nail hole at least, but what do we do? Add like a little
No, we're gonna cut this one.
Okay. Let's see without the shadow. I guess here's the new one.